This is eye movements. You start at the umbilical level at the feet of close to 1 feet distance. You can start going up. You have to keep your neck straight. Look at your finger. You can use a pencil or a pen instead. Go to the top, give a blink, come down, give a blink. The entire length has to be watched by the eyeballs. So going up and coming down is 1, going up, coming down is 2. Same you can practice for 5 to maximum 10 times. So next will be right. You can keep it straight to your nasal level. You can keep a thumb or even a pencil or a pen. Start moving it right side. Now don't move your head. Continue watching with your eyeballs. Have a blink here, then continue doing it to the straight. Blink your eyes. This 1. This is 2. Try not to move your head. Keep it static. Only your eye has to move out and in, right and to the middle. Now we can start with your left thumb. Keep it to your nasal level. Start. It's 1. You can give a blink. Come back. It's 1. Next is number 2.